move toward the customer, offering a world-class mortgage experience and competing with their partners like the mortgage brokers? Or should they move away from the customer and become a world-class provider of mortgages as a service that is compliant with each country's regulatory environment? This option meant they were effectively selling an easy relationship with a combination of regulation/compliance and an attractive mortgage rate to any intermediary with an end customer that wanted a mortgage. They would be the PayPal of mortgages. Instead of offering plug-and-play payment, they would provide a branded mortgage product that could seamlessly integrate into any other firm's platform. The third option was to do both. The problem with the third option was that the capabilities and organization needed to move toward the customer were very different from those needed for providing world-class mortgages to intermediaries. Going toward the customer requires the ability to really listen and respond to the customer's voice and provide an amazing experience throughout the home purchasing journey. In contrast, moving away from the customer requires the creation of a world-class mortgage platform that can plug and play into any partner's systems. We will come back to Banco in future chapters and share what happened next. Does your firm face this kind of transformation choice? Probably. A playbook to capture value from digital. Transforming a firm to succeed in the digital economy requires a vision and a playbook to help firm leaders deliver on that vision, motivate employees, communicate with markets, and keep everyone focused on a common goal as they work to create new value in an increasingly digital world. The framework that we have developed starts with describing what it means to become a future-ready firm. We define a firm undergoing a digitally enabled business transformation as having two simultaneous goals. 1. Using digital technologies and practices to speed up, and 2. Wring out costs by standardizing and automating processes, reusing data, processes, and technology, and identifying areas where productivity can be increased. At the same time, these firms are using digital technologies and practices to innovate, creating new offers and services, identifying new ways to engage customers, and developing new business models and revenue streams. Some of the digital technologies and practices will provide efficiency gains and opportunities for innovation. For instance, Service enabling a core capability with application programming interfaces, APIs, standardizes and automates that capability, which can then be reused and potentially be bundled into a new product offering for customers. We name firms that have learned to both improve customer experience and be more efficient, simultaneously and consistently, as future-ready. Future-ready firms consider and use digital tools and approaches early in their decision-making to help address any challenge or opportunity, large or small. These digital tools and approaches include building and reusing platforms, test-and-learn techniques, agile methods, partnering to grow through digital connections, dashboards to accumulate and measure value, and many others. These future-ready firms are top performers, reporting estimated average revenue growth of 17.3 percentage points and a net margin of 14.0 percentage points above their industry average, a rewarding premium. We developed this playbook based on more than 5 years of rigorous research, including more than 50 interviews with executives and several surveys with a total of over 2,000 respondents, and field-tested in multiple workshops with senior management teams and boards and firms across the world in diverse industries, plus many presentations and master classes. Figure 1-1 describes the journey we recommend for leaders as they position their firms to become future-ready and top performers in the digital economy. Motivate. Articulate your firm's purpose to your employees, managers, directors, and partners, and align it with the transformation to future-ready. Digital business transformation is challenging for the entire firm, and a strong purpose provides meaning to everyone on the journey. Commit. Choose one of the 4 paths.